Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today looking at disposable kids masks that have been kicked off of Amazon. So we can't even send you the link, gonna review it anyways. Let's get it in the clamper. This happens a bunch, by the way, of times to us. We buy a mask, it shows up, we go to review it, mysteriously taken down from Amazon. Oftentimes what we find is those masks fail standards, so interesting to see if they did. Was that a good clamp, Lloyd? Were we proud about that clamp? No, we were not proud about that clamp. That clamp was not a good clamp. I've had better clamps. That's a good clamp. We'll get there. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about what we're doing here, check out that link. So they're not making any claims on here. It does say non-medical, except on the back it says GBT 38880 2020. Now this is a very interesting standard because it's a newer standard that the Chinese government came up with for kids' masks. It's actually a really great standard. It says, I believe, that it has to be above 99% and a breathability of 45 pascals. So I'm just going to switch on over to the, ruin all the drama. 45 pascals, 145 pascals, so that's way out of spec. It just means it's going to be hard for your kid to breathe in. Filtration efficiency 76.2, it's supposed to be 99%. So this is not meeting that standard. I'm going to look real quick at a lot of different, I'm going to show you all of these in case you happen to come across this manufacturer and you can tell me what they're selling as now, because a lot of times they'll just change names and change listings. So we got a little puppy on there. We got a little, what is that, whale. We got a panda. This is a weird combo. You got a dinosaur with cars. That feels like someone wasn't really thinking through that. When I got 5 kids, I don't really see those two jamming together too often. Dinosaurs and cars, kind of different eras. And then we've got the strawberries. I'm gonna do the panda masks. Try those out real quick, and then we'll look at the final results of the test. Yeah, I mean, it's put together pretty well. Like the folds are good, but I can tell like the ear loops are off. So it's, you know, it's not on super strong. If I do this, it's gonna break. I think that'll even break on a kid's face. Now, obviously my face is slightly bigger, but kids like to do this sort of a thing. Actually, the ear loops are stretchy enough. I don't think they're gonna come off on the face. Let's do the smell test. This smells like used playground equipment. Not super strong, not ideal. Let's look at the final results. 76.64, 76.64. This isn't the worst mask we've seen, but it's definitely not the best. I really wish the Amazon listing was still up. It's not. If you can find the new Amazon listing, drop it in the comments. Appreciate you very much, and I will catch you on the next test, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m. We are dropping new tests every day at 10 a.m. I will see you there.